our production, precision and efficiency are key. Our advanced machinery allows us to manufacture large batches of wipes while maintaining the highest quality standards. Thanks to automated production line and the experience of our team, we respond quickly to changing customer needs, delivering products that meet the requirements of various industries from food processing to automotive.
Marchem is a company that has been setting the standard in the production of nonwoven wipes for over 15 years, earning the trust of all sectors of industry. Our success is the result of continuously implementing innovative technological solutions, investing in modern production equipment, and consistently working to improve the quality of our products. As a market leaders, we constantly expand our product range to provide customers with the products that meet their growing needs.
Our company has a global reach. Avatex products are delivered to customers across Europe and beyond. Our goal is to build long-term relationships by providing professional support and innovative solutions. We provide the highest quality standards regardless of delivery location. Thanks to this approach, Avatex is becoming an increasingly recognized brand on the international stage.